The squat thrust is an exercise that is similar to the burpee. It's a variation of the burpee, but it is an explosive exercise that will work all body muscles. So the way you're going to do this is you're going to stand with your feet hip width apart, okay? We're going to get down into a squat, so sit your butt back, get your weight into your heels and midfoot, and then we're going to jump down to a plank. So we're going to bring our hands under, you're going to keep them under your shoulders. You're going to come down, jump back, okay? We're in that high plank position, you're going to jump back up into that squat. You're not going to go all the way up, you're going to stop in the squat. Come down, jump,